Question part te kane pada ka list kabare jong post of fireman te kidon ke ba kli ba kami ne kami shu ka third list te kane ka second list ru kami namar ba ha ka first list kim don shu ko ban join ni ki post mar ba ki yo ar latli kumta te kada kim join shu te kada kami ka second list te ha ka third list ru kan long hi kumju hi la don apne gine ki bom join ki klem join tak modba kin khapan mi saya ka third list mar khapan pandap be gini ki post ke badai jong arjar khanreu te ka bi thamai bade ka debe ka thamai kene ka barem khapan dap be gini stang ang da mla shuan pandap te kisa ra no shaka next recruitment nang umdon candidate shu lanyang ta kin pandap lot bi baro ten sa check la don gi bla yo artli ki post ne don gi bom wan join shu ne tek mod ba kan mi be tama kan khamduna no ha ka third list tekane ka de post jong of firemen join of candidate for the post of fireman the name of the candidate and pin chemi ki lingdo khas jinjak ne fire and emergency service eastern range pin krabor maulen shibarambai kobarmur amrensong Deban Roy Doling, Kobarwell Tangsang, Bandraplang Mauplang, Rupi Lamare, Rigrig B Momin, again Fire Emergency Service, Western Region, Western Range, Pogaru Hill, Eastern Range, Khas Hill, Merten, Silnam CH Momin, Eastern Range, Gonirak G Momin, Eastern Range, Hamseng Sangma, Eastern Range, Tingring Ti Sangma, Eastern Range, Tony Biranchi Secha Sangma Eastern Range Demetrios Sangma Eastern Range Panchiang Bimarak Eastern Range Lazarus Marak Eastern Range tekine ki list of candidate am ta post of fireman te kidon ru ko bakalish pangka post of Meghalaya Police new recruitment kadon gamdon te ya kata abde mla abanong satang dalapan mi be hapoka official website jong Meghalaya Police Salaban confirm kami ini kami ka new recruitment. Thank you. Tip flash one.